is the one you want?
I looked at this boat about 4 times.
Really?
Took my mechanic and shop with me all over the place.
Catching some of the action. It's Wilder in his natural habitat.
No sea bass? No sea bass?
I ended up with the first
Sound job, the ocean. A lot of guys, when they have their rod in their hand, they'll feel a bite and they'll jerk.
Yeah,
You gotta let them kind of bend.
I'm like, hey, someone's knocking.
It's nice for fish too. You can see by the rod. A little bigger. Same size pot, right? 25-inch fish.
You might see some follow us. They'll get a little bigger.
Bring yours in. You're gonna get tangled in.
Yeah, pull it up.
Yeah.
That's one you can eat. Strong little fish, aren't they?
Yeah, I love them. Oh, there's one following too.
Yeah, I told you they're gonna follow. It's just a horny guy who wants to bang his brother. I don't think it's a female coming out. That one is close. That one you could probably eat.
Nice.
That
It was the way I hooked the worm.
You're the master who came right out there.
There
There
goes
he
Hooky.
is. Hit him. Okay, you got him.
Nice.
Oh, you got it. 27 and a half.
All right.
Perfect fish.
Did it?
Nice.
And he's already juicing on the.
Yeah, you don't want to hit too much squeaking. That's it. That's it. I know he's have the right bent. That's it. You got it. Good fish.
Ooh, it's a nice fish. That might be over the 40.
Yeah, no, it's 31 inches, 2 inches.
Oh, really? That.
It's just objects that appear bigger in the mirror.
Lift straight up, lift straight up, lift straight up. All right, 34 inches, 33 and a half.
So that's not even a good.
Nope.
What a ride.
I know, isn't that ridiculous? 33-inch fish, perfect little eater.
Awesome, dude.
You got yours. Flopping. Let's get some rides in the water here. What the fuck?
There's another one there too.
Two slides. Right here. White's Marina up in Marlboro. Stan's got one on. Rod's bending. We're looking for his granddad. Ooh, you see a follower? There's a follower. Another fish following.
Oh, that's a decent
Can't
sized
keep
fish.
him.
He's too big to keep.
Cut the tail off. We just say he had an accident when he was young.
A couple of them following around. I love it. Ooh,
Oh,
that's a
that was a
nice
good
fish.
one. 34 and a half inch.
Nice.
Male. Can't keep.
Listen, you remember those days of 36, right?
Yeah, that was crazy. And every fish was 35 and a half. Like they tell me they didn't know what the fuck they were doing.
30, well, remember, that's when they brought it back. I mean,
Yeah. No, it was bad. That's a female, maybe. No, that's a male.
that's a nice big fish.
It's a 36 inch.
Wow.
36 inch.
36.
Nope, 30.
That rod up front's been doing great.
Yeah. It's a nice light tackle, too. Fun.
ripping. It's probably a 29. So, you know.
It's going under the boat.
This is Dallas. She was under the boat.
Yeah.
All right. Might not have us. Yep, just keep it low like that. You see him coming out, and keep pressure on him right there. Keep pressure on him. Watch that one.
Oh, there you go.
Here.
Yeah. It's not like the one you had. We may get caught. Whoa.
You need me to move this rod over here?
Yeah, I know.
Or are you keeping it over there?
All rods
right
in.
there.
Just walk
Wow,
it.
you got a fish.
You do it.
25, 24.
Nice looking fish.
All right, simmer down.
Oh, here we go. Mr. Stan Grom into another fish. Not bad.
On the best outcomes, changing from simply treating you to treating you well. Crystal Run Health, leading the transformation from to visit healthtransformed.com.
This is Mike Mulaney from Hudson Cadillac Buick GMC, where great service comes standard with every vehicle we sell. Professional, highly trained technicians and competitive pricing are just
Watch
the
that
start.
rod again.
In fact, we have a fleet of Buick, GMC, and Cadillac loaners who make taking care of your car even more hassle-free. Right now, we're replacing that fleet and offering
Nice.
tremendous discounts on a great selection of light
Got nothing in the way.
2016 courtesy vehicles. Buy or lease your choice for professional-grade GMC Sierra Terrain or Hot Buick Encore. You can take advantage of savings of up to $8,500 or 0% financing or up to 60 on the luxurious Cadillac XTS or CTS. In Cadillac Buick GMC, we are a good deal better.
Dropping here.
You got two fish on here? Ooh, what do you got there, Stanley?
I don't think it's too big, man.
Oh,
What you got over there?
it's got something. Oh, here, go, go.
You go.
Your second class. Look, he's sperming all over the place.
That, keep him in the water.
I wanna take a picture of it.
Which of them?
He's fighting the mighty beast!
You already got the smallest fish before.
That is the winner. Look at that. Hold it up sideways now so we get a good
Yeah,
picture.
okay.
Hold it really close to me. We'll see if we can get an extreme perspective.
The worm is bigger than the fish.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you broke records on that one.